When Hotel Jerome first opened in downtown Aspen on November 27, 1889,
people were coming here to invest in silver mines and the railroad.
it was one of the poshest hotels in the West. The hotel's namesake was Jerome Wheeler.
Mr. Wheeler never set out to become a hotelier. In fact, he was here as an investor in the silver mining operations.
Fast forward to today and let's check in to one of the most historic hotels in the country. Although not in its original spot, the reservation desk, with some tassel keys still in place, is the first stop.
It feels very, very much like the West, but not a Western hotel.
It's a combination of the West that was and art in unexpected places. And the tile floor in the lobby is the original floor.
This blue color of the tile here was made with a process called oxide gold.
The staircases are original and lined with Native American portraits and artifacts.
That clock has been hanging on that wall since 1889.
And yes, it is still ticking away. This room was once the men's smoking room and then a formal dining room. Now it's called Aspen's living room. The decor is a mixture of different styles and periods and draws an eclectic mix of patrons, including celebrities.
It happens quite often, and then sometimes for people it happens, they don't realize who they're sitting next to until after that person gets up or they get up.
My favorite spot in the living room is the intimate setting of two chairs under a rare hand-stitched flag with 38 stars.
Because in 1876, when Colorado became a state, we were the Centennial State. We were the 38th state added to the Union.
There's the ranching influence with cowhide rugs, blending with Art Deco tables and beautiful Ming vases from Asia. Those Asian influences are also evident in the original hotel bar. The iconic J Bar is still in its original spot. The bar's drawers hold a key to the past with signatures from bartenders since the early 1900s.
The oldest one I've ever seen is from 1910.
Sit outside with the sidewalk judge, or relax inside in the leather chairs and booths surrounded by old pictures and pieces of the J Bar's past. Make sure to look up and check out the pressed tin ceiling and bottle chandeliers. The wallpaper and dimly lit halls still give you the old Victorian hotel feel, but each of the spacious 93 guest rooms are a blend of modern, natural, new, and historic, with huge bathrooms. And here's a glimpse of the creme de la creme of rooms, the Presidential Suite. The suite's living room has the best view in town of Aspen Mountain.